Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine and doing your work on time. In the last videos, we have done till exercise 1.4 and today we are going to start exercise 1.5. In this exercise, we will do place value and face value. First of all, let us write something in your notebook. See, in the notebook, you have to write the two definitions, the face value and the place value. First of all, put the date, exercise 1.5. First definition is place value. The value of place where a particular digit is placed. The value of place where a particular digit is placed. When I will explain the example, it will be more clear to you. See, in this example, we have a number 5382. First of all, you have to write the places, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Now, place value of the first digit from the left side. It is on ones place, so the place value of 2 is equal to 2 ones, that is 2. Place value of 8 is equal to 8 tens, as 8 is on tens place. 8 tens means 80. Place value of 3 is equal to 300, that is 300. Place value of 5 is equal to 5000, that is 5000. Again, place value of 2 ones means 2. Place value of 8 tens means 80. Place value of 300 means 300. Place value of 5 is equal to 5000 means 5000. Next definition is face value. Face value, face means the face, shakal, face of the digit itself. Okay, as the digit looks, the same is the face value of the number. Example. Same example I have taken, 5382. Here also the face value of 2, face value of 8, face value of 3, and face value of 5. I have it in this way. Face value of 2 is equal to 2. Face value of 8 is equal to 8. Face value of 3 is equal to 3. Face value of 5 is equal to 5. Now, on the next page of your notebook, you have to write the question answers. Write the date again. Exercise 1.5. Question number 1. Write the place value of the encircled digit. Here you are given with a number and a digit is encircled in this number. You have to write the place value of that encircled digit. In the first question, we have 4831 and we have to find out the value, place value of 4. First of all, write the places, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Then, place value of 4. Now, 4 is on which place? Thousands. So, the place value of 4 is 4000. 4000 is written as 4000. Write in this way, children. One digit, one box. Next question, C part. 2832. Before writing the place value of 8, we have to write the places, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Now the place value of 8. 8 is on 100 place, so 800. 800. D part, place value of 1 in this number. First of all, again the same way, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Now 1 is on tens place, so place value of 1 is 1 tens. 1 tens means 10. G part, 3542. Place value of 2 we have to find out. Again, write the places, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Now place value of 2 is on ones place, so 2 ones is equal to 2. Now you have to write the homework on the next page. Homework is B, E, H and I part. Now question number 2 of the same exercise. Write the face value of underlined digits. Now we have to write the face value. As you know, face means the way the digit looks. 2376. Face value of 3. 3 is underlined. Face value of 3 same only. So 3. In the next question, 3678. Face value of 3 only. Write 3. D. 3829. Face value of 2 same, 2 only. 7095. Face value of 0 only. Now for this, homework is E part, F part, G part, H part.